This is Chamoru History in a Minute with Fanatsu. The Spanish period of Guam's history begins in June 1668 with the arrival of Påle Diego Luis San Vitores and a mission to bring Christianity to the Chamorro people. His efforts initially seemed successful. Many Chamorros came to attend Mass or have their children be baptized. Part of this was because the priests were giving away gifts such as small pieces of metal to new converts. Within a few months, however, the attitudes of Chamorros began to sour towards the new religion, especially as the Spanish began to impose their ways and their values on Chamorros. The first large-scale battle was the siege of Hagatni by forces allied with Magalahi Harao in September 1671. Sporadic conflict would continue throughout the Marianas for more than 20 years. For his interference into the lives of Chamorros, San Vitores was killed by Magalahi Matapang from Tomhom in 1672.